AI is not a future threat. It is a present reality, and most people are already late. While employees argue online about whether artificial intelligence will replace jobs one day, companies have quietly moved on. They are not asking if AI should replace humans, they are calculating how fast it can be done. Businesses are not emotional. They care about speed, cost, and consistency. AI delivers all three without breaks, salaries, or excuses. That is why this shift is happening faster than anyone expected. Here's the uncomfortable part. The first jobs disappearing are not bad jobs. They're common jobs. Data entry, office clerks, and basic administrative roles are being automated because machines can process in seconds what takes humans hours. Call centers are already changing. Many customers today are speaking to AI without realizing it. These systems never lose patience, never call in sick, and can handle thousands of conversations at the same time. From a company's perspective, replacing humans is no longer risky. Keeping them is. Content creation is facing the same pressure. Simple blogs, captions, product descriptions, and emails no longer require a human at every step. AI can generate usable content instantly, and for most businesses, good enough beats perfect but slow. Basic graphic design is also shrinking. Posters, thumbnails, social media visuals, and templates can now be created in minutes. If creativity is limited to clicking tools instead of making decisions, the role becomes vulnerable. Now, pause for a second, because this is where most people get it wrong. This does not mean all jobs are dying. It means lazy roles are dying. The work that survives is work that carries responsibility. Doctors are not replaced because real lives are involved. Strategists are needed because markets are not spreadsheets. Creative directors, negotiators, leaders, and psychologists matter because human behavior is messy, emotional, and unpredictable, something AI still cannot fully understand. The real danger is not artificial intelligence. The real danger is denial. Many people believe loyalty, years of experience, or hard work will protect them. It will not. In competitive markets, efficiency always wins. The truth most people avoid is this: AI will not take your job directly. Someone who knows how to use AI better than you will. That person becomes faster, cheaper, and more valuable overnight, and companies notice. This shift is not about fear. It is about adaptation. Fighting AI is pointless. Ignoring it is fatal. The only smart move is learning how to work with it, using it to amplify your skills, not replace your thinking. Because very soon, there will only be two types of professionals left: those who know how to use AI as a tool, and those explaining why they didn't. So the real question is not whether your job is safe. The real question is whether you are evolving fast enough to stay relevant.